Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, August the 9th. I'm dragging this morning out here on Cedar Creek. Hadn't been here a week and a half, maybe a little bit more. Hope to be able to get on them. Start off this morning probably shallow up here in the grass with some chatter baits. See how that goes. See if we can get some bites that way. If not, we'll move out and go from there. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Little dinker on the heck, moving slow this morning. Chartreuse ice chatterbait. A good one. Not a bad one. Not a great one, but not a bad one. I'll just drop my phone in the lake. Thank you, Lord. Pretty grass bass on the bluegill colored Evo. Get out of that grass. Get out of that grass. Get out of that grass. Look what a pretty grass fish. My goodness, them things are dark and pretty. Thank you, Lord. Beautiful little fish. Oh, on the bluegill chatterbait. About to rip. Easy. Quit now. And the young mighty worm, June bug. Thank you, Lord. 2.5 pounder probably. That is on the Laurel River Pro Lures Little John DD70. And that fish choked it. I just hope that it's not tongue hooked. But I bet it is. Choked it. Look at that. Oh, gosh, buddy. Why did you do that so bad? Turn him around. Got that one. Got that one. Let's get him over here to do that. Alright, I'm gonna take a picture of that one because he's bleeding bad. I hope he makes it. He probably won't. But, folks, that was on the little DD70 from Laurel River Pro. There's another one. That's on a Laurel River Pro rock crawler in Morning Dawn. And it's choked too. Daggone these fish. Look at that. Quit now. Look at that, guys. Dadgummit. Quit. can get this out of here. Let's see. That one out. Quit now. Quit now. I about got you, I think. My God. There we go. You'll be back up in a minute to get fizzed, I'm sure. Thank you, Lord. Hey everybody, I hope you are enjoying the video you're watching of me on Cedar Creek. It was kind of a slow day. You know, it's just that time of the year. Sometimes it's tough. The camera's not charging and it's gonna die. Unless it's not charging. It should be charging. Anyway, the camera died. I'll just have to start over. It's just that time of year. Sometimes you have those slow days, but I did manage to put a few together, enough to make a video anyway. But it's time for another mystery tackle box giveaway. I've got this mystery tackle box and one more, and then I'm probably not going to do any more mystery tackle boxes. I've just not been really all that thrilled with what's coming in. I'm still going to do giveaways. It's something I want to do just to show my appreciation for all the support I get on the channel. So I'm going to continue to do giveaways. Probably what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get put some stuff together and come up with my own box, so to speak. And it'll probably be, you know, whatever I'm catching them on and having success on during that time period. So, you know, I'll get 4 or 5 baits together and come up with my own box. So, but anyway, I do have this mystery tackle box and one more. So I'll just go right into what's in this one. B8 Labs appears to be a smaller jerkbait of some type, kind of a, I don't know, golden shiner top color maybe. So that's in there. Jerkbait, pack of 3/0 EWG hooks. Now this is all right here. A pack of red shad culprit 8.5-inch worms. It's a, you know, that's a good color this time of year. So that'll be in there, and a Lucky Strike ½ ounce chartreuse and white spinnerbait. Looking at that blade there, it's an odd shape on that main blade. It's gold, like a teardrop shape. Not sure. So that's all right. Spinnerbait there, and the best thing that will be in this box, which was again generously donated by Laurel River Pro. My buddy Shane Young, Laurel River Pro. It's one of his RK55 rock crawlers. I hate to give this one away. This color right here, and this is the first one of these I've seen. It's a new color, and man, you talk about a good looking crankbait. That is going to be killer this late fall, winter, early spring. The color is Watermelon Cumberland Crawl, and I don't know if you can see it on how well it's showing up on camera, but the detail in that paint job, just fantastic. Kind of hate to give that one away, but I'm going to, because that's what he donated them for. Maybe I can get my hands on some for myself in this color. So anyway, that's what's going to be all in this box. If you guys don't care, go to laurelriverpro.com and check out Shane's baits. Show him some love for donating these baits for these giveaways, and all the baits that he's donated for my past giveaways. Check out his rock crawlers, his Little Johns. I've caught a ton of fish on his medium diving Little Johns and the circuit bill ones as well. And if you've got any other type crankbaits that you want painted, he can paint anything you want, any color you want. I get him to paint a lot of 6XDs and 10XDs for me, and he does a fantastic job. So check him out, laurelriverpro.com, and show him the appreciation for all of these donations he's made to these giveaways. Same with this video as all the rest of them. Comment in the comments on this video, mystery tackle box. No, I'll tell you what, strike that. Don't comment mystery tackle box. Comment Laurel River Pro. Laurel River Pro to enter yourself to win this mystery tackle box and this Laurel River Pro rock crawler. So change it up this time. If you want to try to win this, comment in this video Laurel River Pro. And before I do my next fishing video, I'll go use the little random comment picker like I've been using and pick the winner. Of course, I'll video that and include it in my next fishing video. So again, guys, thank you so much for all of the support, all the views, the shares, the subscriptions. You know, it's slowly but surely growing. I'm up to 1,430 something subscribers as of now. You know, I gained a few. Seems like every time I put a video out or a short or something like that, I'll gain just a few, and I'm gonna keep at it. Hopefully someday we can grow this into, you know, a big channel. And you know, my goal with this, you know, I mean, I enjoy it. I'm fishing, you know, so I do enjoy it. Making the videos is a little bit of work, as you guys who do this know. It's you know, it's to put one video together. By the time I get home and download all the videos and edit them and all that and get everything uploaded, it's about a 3-hour process to put a video together. But I enjoy it. And you know, a buddy of mine, Jeremy Rayleigh there, Hog Molly Fishing on YouTube. If you fish East Tennessee lakes at all, you can check him out. He's taught me a lot about Douglas Lake and has a great channel there, great guy. But he sent me a message the other day that a gentleman from down there had messaged him and told him that his videos and my videos had really helped him out on Douglas Lake. So that's, you know, that's why I do this. And you know, hopefully you can learn something from me, because you know, a lot of lakes that I fish, I didn't know anything about them. Like, you know, like Douglas, for instance. And you know, that's how I learned to do anything on those lakes, is watching people's videos. So anything that, you know, that anybody can pick up from me that helps them, that's why I do it. And I still watch people's videos every day, you know, to learn stuff. And you know, I ain't no good. I just get lucky sometimes, and but you know, if you can pick up anything from my videos and learn anything, that's great. That's why I do it, and I appreciate you guys coming and watching them. And like I said, I'm gonna keep doing these giveaways. Even after these two mystery tackle boxes, I'm gonna put stuff together that I have confidence in. If I'm gonna give something away to you guys, I want it to be something that I have confidence in. So that's what we're gonna do after these two boxes are gone. But comment Laurel River Pro on this video, and we'll get you entered to win. And thanks for watching. Little dinker on the slowest chartreuse ice Cedar bait. Thank you, Lord. Not a bad one. Not a great. Pretty grass fish. My goodness, some things are dark and pretty. Easy. Quiet now. A young mighty worm, June bug. River Pro Lures Little John DD70. And that fish choked it. I just hope that it's not unhooked. Laurel River Pro rock crawler in Morning Dawn. And it's choked too. Daggone these fish. Look at that. Quit now. Look at that, guys. Dadgummit. Quit. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the day. I'm hot and tired. Been kind of a grind today, which, I mean, it's, might as well say mid-August, so it can get that way, but not too terrible. Got a few decent ones on chatterbait. Got a couple, caught one earlier on a bullworm. Got sweat in my eyes, sorry. Then kind of hit a dry spell. Come over here to the basically the area that I started this morning, and found them schooled up chasing shad, and they were in a feeding mood there for just a few minutes. Kind of got on a little flurry of caught a couple decent ones on crankbait, both Laurel River Pro crankbaits. One of his rock crawlers in Morning Dawn, and one of his DD70s. And chartreuse blueback, and caught another one there a few minutes ago on a bullworm. So all in all, not a bad day. We'll regroup, try it again probably next Saturday, figure out where we're going then. So until then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.